Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to download and install CapCut in Android. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. First of all, open Google Play Store from your Android phone. Then on the top you'll find search box. Tap on it and type CapCut. Then over here you can find CapCut Video Editor. Tap on this install icon. Then within few times, CapCut will be downloaded to our phone. You can see here in my case, it has been downloaded. And as soon as it is downloaded, it will automatically be installed in our phone. So in this way, we can download and install CapCut in Android. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.